Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today I am making a video on cauliflower seedling. How to grow cauliflower from seed. Preparation of cauliflower seedling. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Preparation of soil. We need mud, pot, organic compost, wood, ash, stone and cauliflower seeds. Grow your organic vegetable at home. Now preparation of soil. Take some mud. Wear gloves before start. Keep your hand clean. Make sure no stone in it. Add organic compost. Add wood ash. Purpose to protect seeds and roots from fungus or any other bad things. Mix very well. Make sure no stone in it. Like my video. Subscribe my channel. Now take pot. Put stone in it for blocking hole. Add prepared soil in the pot. Fill the pot and level it. Now take cauliflower seeds, put one by one. Very tiny seeds. Grow your own organic vegetable at home. Very easy. You can do it yourself. Cover the seeds with some prepared mud. Now take shower. And spray in it. Very well. Inshallah will be germinate 5 to 8 days. Thanks for watching.